Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best magnet generator? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best magnet generator on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check the user to see which one is in your budget range. Studying at Top 1. Maglev Permanent Magnet Generator. The Maglev Permanent Magnet Generator Turbine is an advanced renewable energy solution designed to harness wind and water energy efficiently. Operating at low speeds between 100-500 rpm, this generator utilizes magnetic levitation (Maglev) technology, reducing friction and wear, which leads to longer lifespan and increased efficiency compared to traditional generators. With a power output range of 5000 W to 20000 W, it is suitable for a variety of applications, including water conservancy projects, small-scale wind energy systems, and off-grid power generation. The generator is available in multiple voltage options, including 48V, 96V, and 220V, making it adaptable to different energy needs and systems. The Maglev technology used in this turbine offers superior stability and reliability, enabling it to operate smoothly even at low speeds. It is ideal for environments where traditional high-speed turbines are less effective. The permanent magnet design ensures that the generator produces a consistent and reliable output, while also minimizing maintenance requirements. This generator turbine is a great choice for those looking to invest in sustainable energy solutions, whether for residential, industrial, or environmental energy projects. It supports wind and water energy applications, contributing to energy independence and environmental conservation. Top 2. 10 kW 20 kW Low-Speed Permanent Magnet Generator. The 10 kW 20 kW low-speed permanent magnet generator is a robust and efficient solution for generating renewable energy from wind or water turbines. Designed to operate at low speeds, 100 to 500 rpm, this generator is perfect for environments where traditional high-speed turbines may not be effective. With 3-phase AC output, it offers a stable and consistent power supply, making it ideal for industrial applications, motor drives, and off-grid systems. Available in voltage options of 48V, 96V, 220V, and 380V, this generator is versatile and can be integrated into a variety of energy systems, whether for residential, commercial, or industrial use. The permanent magnet design ensures high efficiency and minimal maintenance, as it eliminates the need for external excitation systems. The generator provides a substantial power output range from 10 kW to 20 kW, making it suitable for larger applications, including wind and water turbines, as well as energy storage systems. Its low-speed operation enhances durability and longevity, reducing wear and tear compared to conventional generators. This permanent magnet generator is an excellent choice for those seeking sustainable energy solutions. Whether for motor drives, wind energy, or water conservancy projects, it ensures reliable power generation while minimizing environmental impact. Top 3. Gearless Permanent Magnet Generator Turbine. The Gearless Permanent Magnet Generator Turbine is an advanced solution for harnessing renewable energy from wind and water sources, offering a reliable and efficient way to generate power at low speeds. With power options of 500 W and voltage configurations of 12V, 24V, and 220V, this generator is suitable for household energy systems, water conservancy projects, and wind power applications. One of the key features of this generator is its gearless design, which reduces mechanical friction and wear, making it more efficient and requiring less maintenance over time. The permanent magnet technology further enhances its reliability and performance, ensuring long-lasting energy generation without the need for frequent servicing. This generator operates efficiently at low speeds, typically 100-500 rpm, making it ideal for use in areas with low wind or water flow speeds. The 500 W output is perfect for small-scale applications such as off-grid homes, small turbines, and backup power systems. Available in 12V and 24V configurations for DC applications and 220V for AC applications, this generator offers versatility for various energy setups. Whether used for wind power, water power, or as part of a renewable energy system, this gearless permanent magnet generator is a reliable and sustainable choice for clean, eco-friendly power generation. Top 4. Warehouse 3000W 5000W Gearless Permanent Magnet Generator. The Warehouse 3000W 5000W Gearless Permanent Magnet Generator is a powerful and efficient solution for renewable energy generation. Designed for both wind and water turbines, this generator offers high power output options ranging from 3000W to 5000W, making it suitable for medium to large-scale applications like off-grid homes, small businesses, or energy storage systems. One of the standout features of this generator is its gearless design. By eliminating mechanical gears, the generator reduces friction and wear, which enhances efficiency and lowers maintenance requirements. This design ensures long-term reliability and low operational costs, making it a durable choice for continuous energy generation. With double shafts, this generator can be used in both wind and water turbine systems, providing versatility for various renewable energy setups. Available in 12V, 24V, and 48V configurations, it can be tailored to suit different energy needs, with the 48V version being ideal for larger installations or systems requiring higher energy storage. This high-power generator is perfect for eco-conscious users looking to harness clean energy for their homes, businesses, or off-grid projects. It offers a reliable, low-maintenance, and environmentally friendly way to produce electricity from natural resources, contributing to a sustainable energy future. Top 5. 200W 1000W 200 250 300 RPM 12V24V48 V220V DC Generator Permanent Magnet. The 200W 1000W Permanent Magnet Generator is a versatile and efficient energy solution, perfect for DIY solar panel and wind turbine projects. With voltage options of 12V, 24V, 48V, and 220V DC, this generator provides flexible power output ranging from 200W to 1000W, making it suitable for small to medium-scale renewable energy systems. A standout feature of this generator is its use of permanent magnet technology, which ensures high efficiency and low maintenance. This design eliminates the need for external excitation systems, reducing energy loss and enhancing performance. Additionally, it operates at low speeds of 200, 250, or 300 RPM, which makes it ideal for environments with slow wind or water flow. This feature allows the generator to generate power effectively even in low-speed conditions. Incorporating Maglev, coreless technology, the generator minimizes mechanical friction, extending its lifespan and reducing wear and tear. This technology leads to a more durable and reliable system, requiring minimal maintenance over time. Perfect for solar panel projects, wind turbines, or custom renewable energy systems, this generator is an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts looking to create sustainable power solutions. Its low-speed operation, permanent magnet design, and Maglev technology make it a highly efficient and reliable option for clean energy generation.